In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cookie consent GDPR to your Squarespace website. This is an essential step for compliance with EU regulations regarding data privacy and user consent. Let's get started with a tool called ElfSite, which provides a simple and effective way to integrate cookie consent into your site. First, you'll want to navigate to the ElfSite app's website. This is where we'll begin creating our cookie consent widget. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Widgets in the menu. Clicking on this will give you access to a variety of tools you can use. Next, in the search bar, type in cookie consent. This will bring up the specific widget we need. Having a quick search helps streamline the process and allows you to find exactly what you're looking for without unnecessary scrolling. Once you've located the cookie consent widget, click on it. This will take you to a page with more details about the widget, including its features and customization options. Here comes the best part. You can click on Create Widget for free. This feature is especially useful if you're working with a limited budget, as it allows you to add this essential function without incurring additional costs. Now, you'll be presented with different templates. Go ahead and click on Continue with this template for a seamless experience. After selecting your template, hit Add to Website for free. This step finalizes your choice and prepares it for integration with your Squarespace site. Once everything is set on ElfSite, look for the Publish button and go ahead and click it. This action will display the different pricing options available. For today's demonstration, we're focusing on the Select Under Free option to maintain our no-cost approach. Next, it's time to integrate this into Squarespace. First, copy the embed code provided on the ElfSite dashboard. Then, head over to your Squarespace site and open the site editor. Once in the editor, look for the option to Add Block. This allows you to insert custom elements into your web page. From the Blocks menu, choose Embed. Initially, it might show a generic placeholder, but don't worry, that's expected. Here, you'll see an option to Edit, so go ahead and click on that. Now, within the Edit options, look for something labeled as Code Snippet or Embed Data. Paste your embed code in the provided space. This is the code you copied earlier from ElfSite. Once your code is pasted, finalize this step by clicking on Add Code, or a similar option that appears. Just a couple more things. Type Highlight in the editor if prompted, then confirm by clicking on the Highlight option that appears next. Finally, make sure everything is saved and published by hitting the Save button. This last action makes the cookie consent widget go live on your site, ensuring you're meeting GDPR requirements. And there you have it. Your Squarespace site now has a fully functional cookie consent banner, helping you manage user data responsibly.